প্রিয় শ্রোতা, কমিউনিটি রেডিও সাগরদ্বীপ 99.2 FM এর সৌজন্যে এখন শুনবেন ইংরেজি শিক্ষার অনুষ্ঠান এসো ইংরেজি শিখি। অনুষ্ঠানটি নির্মাণে সার্বিক সহায়তা করেছে আমেরিকা দূতাবাসের দ্য আমেরিকান সেন্টার এবং বাংলাদেশ এনজিওস নেটওয়ার্ক ফর রেডিও অ্যান্ড কমিউনিকেশন BNNRC। অনুষ্ঠানটি প্রযোজনা ও উপস্থাপনায় আছেন পাপিয়া সুলতানা।
Hello dear listeners, you are listening Radio Shagurdip 99.2 FM. Welcome to our English learning radio program Esho English Shikhi. This program was sponsored by the American Center, Dhaka and developed with the technical support of Bangladesh NGOs Network for Radio and Communication BNNRC. Hello dear listeners, I am Papia Sultana, will be with you during the program broadcasting. Hello friends. How are you? Hope you all are fine. We are very much lucky that we have a guest in our studio. He is a teacher and will help us guide and to learn English. He will be with us learning this episode broadcasting today. Sir, could you please introduce yourself to our audience?
Okay, thanks dear Papiapa to give me chance to tell something about myself. Hi, I am Mushfiqur Rahman Munju, founder and executive director of Ensure Plus English Academy and also the founder of One Day School for English. It's a free initiative for better Hatia. I have been teaching English at different institutions like school, college and madrasas without interest. I teach English pronunciation, academic English and language to the students. I have taken teaching English as an English language teaching movement in Hatia. I want to form different English language clubs, different secondary and higher secondary schools in Hatia Upazila, in which students can learn English language under Esho Ingreji Shikhi. Thanks BNNRC to organize an excellent program of learning American English, which was sponsored by American Center, Dhaka, and also thanks Mark Manosha to help us in this program.
Dear listeners, today's story is about ideas that help them improve their listening and speaking. প্রিয় শ্রোতা, এসো ইংরেজি শিখি অনুষ্ঠানে আজকের গল্পটি হচ্ছে শ্রোতাদের ইংরেজি শোনা এবং বলার দক্ষতা বাড়ানো সম্পর্কে। স্যার, প্লিজ সে সাম টিপস টু আওয়ার অডিয়েন্স।
Thanks Papiapa once again. I am going to you two tips to help you listen. A tip is an idea that will help you learn. My first tip is for you to have some paper and a pen or pencil while you listen. You may want to write a few short notes while listening. I want to repeat that your notes should be short, just a word or two. Maybe you want to write down a word and you don't understand. Don't worry about spelling. Just write down what you think the word is. We are going to call these ideas that are not clear muddiest point. So mud is dirt mixed with water. When it rains here in Bangladesh, the dirt becomes mud and stick to your feet and gets on your clothes. You can't see through mud, so it is not clear. So a muddiest point is something you do not understand. I always tell my students that if you can come up with an idea that is a muddiest point and not clear or understandable, you are an excellent student because you have really been listening. Perhaps this point should be said in English and Bangla. So, tip number 1 is to have paper and pen to write down any word that you don't understand or meaning of the word. And tip number 2 is to write down any idea that is not clear so you can ask a question about it. This will be our muddiest point. The RJ then reminds the listeners about the call-in session. You heard me talk about call-in session during our first program. It is so important that we get your question and ideas about the programs. Maybe there is a word you do not understand, or maybe there is a part of the program that was not clear, and this would be your muddiest point. You may have a general question about learning English or radio program. If you have a question, you know that others do too. There will be 3 people like you listening to the program. So helping each other with your comments and question is important. We really like hearing that you have to say, because it will help the others listeners and because it will be help us make the program better.
Thank you, sir.